Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating my wellness planner. So we're going to be working on my wellness section in my planner, which is two planners. First we're going to meal plan in this lovely one, and then we're going to go ahead and move on into the wellness. So first and foremost, this is the week of October 31st through November 6th. So we're into November. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, thank you so much for joining again. I really appreciate you. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is use the seasonal student one. It has a lot of pink elements for fall, and I thought that would be a fun way to bring in that color into spreads, especially because I've been using lots of browns, oranges, and so on. So I thought it might be fun. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these banners. And then same thing for the other side. I think that's kind of fun to bring in that pink in the middle of a page. Like so. Okay, so I think that's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of these to-do lists. I think that is fun, like checklists. I think that might be fun to add some color into that, like a pop, and then I could meal plan around that. So I'm adding all of these pinks throughout, dark and light and all over the place. So I think that looks good. And now we're gonna bring some leaves. Look how beautiful these are. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that little note section in here and start placing leaves from the bottom up. And I'm gonna kind of play with them with the placement. So give me a moment and we will go from there. So I'm gonna do that one upside down, and I think that looks pretty good. And now I'm gonna add this big cluster leaf to breakfast on Saturday, as we normally do brunch, so it won't really matter. When you're placing layered stickers into boxes like this, just be mindful if you have something going on. If you're like me and usually skip breakfast on the weekends, then you can go ahead and use those boxes for decorations. Makes perfect sense. Just be mindful of where you are and what you're doing, so then you don't decorate yourself out of writing space. I used to do that, and I used to be so frustrated with myself, and then I became much more intentional and much more aware of what I needed and where. So I'm going to be adding more things because it is Halloween. I'm going to put visit the haunted house. Obviously, I'm going to be working that day, so that's not happening, but one could wish, right? Let's see what else. I'm going to go ahead and add these clear things, like the clear leaves to there. I think that might be a little fun addition. I'll add all of these little trinkets from here. So like hearts and so on. I think that might be good. Like so. Okay, so these are in little corners. I think that's good. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. And I want to incorporate some boxes because I think that might be fun and good to have. So let's do that. I think that might bring like a cohesive feeling to it. Let me know what you guys think, because I am loving the pink in my planner, and I'm not even a pink girl, so I don't know. I'm gonna add some leaves throughout here to help tie everything together and kind of finish off the spread. I'm gonna see if I have. I remember that in the Rainbow Super Mega Sticker Book, there were these kind of clusters of little dots. I don't know if you remember them, but I forget I have these books. So they're on a clear backing like so. At least one of them, and then this one's paper. No, they're actually both clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. I'm gonna add these clusters of little dots that match the colors right here. So it has a little bit of a gold foil, but I don't mind because I think it looks kind of fun. So it adds a little bit of sprinkle. So I'm gonna pop this back into the planner and we're gonna go ahead and start meal planning. So here we go. I'm gonna pull my cheat sheet out as always. So toast with avocado on Monday, super easy. I have a busy day. A breakfast wrap, hard-boiled eggs, obviously simple stuff, right? Leftovers or a salad. That's usually what I do for work. It's super easy and I really enjoy doing those things. Then we have a cheesy taco skillet, fajitas. It's such a simple thing. When I have a busy day, I like doing those. Then pasta with chicken, usually during the week too. It's like half an hour of a meal. Then we have overnight oats. So on Friday I have a company meeting that I'm going to be out for most of the day, so I'm going to be eating out. On Saturday I want to try to make these short rib little things with eggs on top. It's like one of my favorite things. We're gonna do stuffed peppers on Thursday because that's a pretty like filling meal without being too many calories. So I like doing those. Friday I might make chili. The weather is going to be starting to turn cold again. We've been so lucky in Chicago. The weather has been like high 60s and 70s, and Halloween was beautiful. We were just so lucky. Sunday I'm gonna make a Tex-Mex breakfast bowl. Saturday probably a goulash or out. We haven't decided yet. Sunday iced coffee and then stir fry. So that's kind of the plan. And now let's go ahead and decorate my wellness. So wellness planner is called Listen to Your Heart. This is a wellness layout. I'm going to be using a fun sticker from Coffee Planner Mom, and she does these beautiful stickers, and the quality of paper, I don't know where she gets it, but it's butter. So I wanted to go ahead and share those with you. She has this kit with apples and it's called Autumn is Calling, and it's so gorgeous, and I think it's perfect for November. This would have been a perfect spread for Thanksgiving, but I wanted you guys to see it prior to Thanksgiving, so if you wanted to order, you can. And it is called, like I said, Autumn is Calling. It comes with 4 sheets. I'm pulling stuff out because I just want to get this ready, but you will see all of the sheets in my plan with me. So it's really lovely. I'm going to use the checklists, which she provides, a full thing of checklists. And again, when you touch her paper, you guys, oh my lord, and writing on it is so fun. If you want to save 15% on her order, go ahead and use Kasia15, KASIA15, for a 15% off of your order, and you also will get my freebie. So I'm just adding boxes, and the reason why I'm adding boxes to this is because in these sections, the lower and the upper are on nutrition. So the lower one, I tracked my movement and my meds, and then the upper one, I actually track my instead of intention, I do sleep and mood, because I think those are a little bit more cohesive to what I need and are a little bit more beneficial to my health to track versus an intention. So I'm placing those in to see how my habits are forming and what is going on with me. And if I'm crabby and I had 3 hours of sleep, well, it's kind of simple to figure out, right? We're all crabby when we're tired, or most of us are. Anyway, so that's kind of how I do my wellness planner. And then I will transfer the dinner ideas into this one on that sheet. I normally don't do that, but I'm gonna try and see how that goes, so I don't have to go back and forth. Like, I don't mind doing that for breakfast and lunch, but for dinner, I'm usually so busy coming from work and trying to cook, and if I can just glance as I'm writing down my breakfast in here, I can probably defrost meat and stuff like that before coming from work. I was going to use the days of the week stickers, but they're a little too large for that one, and that's okay because I didn't want to lose any space. So there was this beautiful quote that says, "Fall is proof that change is beautiful." I'm going to go ahead and add all of these decorative boxes to the spread because, oh my lord, is this gorgeous, okay? Like, next level gorgeous. So I really love her stickers. Like I said, I think they're beautiful, and like, if you guys order from her, just would appreciate if you guys used my code. I am on her PR team, so I did receive like a slight discount on these, but I still paid for all of the kits myself. So this is the freebie that is from, if you use my code, it's very, very fall-like, so it's beautiful. So if you're ordering now, this is the time to do it. Okay, I'm adding apples throughout because, again, apples are awesome. I purchased that sheet separately from her kit, but she prices them so reasonable, and these sheets are huge. So if you try them, let me know how you like it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of her pumpkins in here as well and kind of play with some decorations. So I wanted to kind of alternate these, and I think it's so cute. Let me know if you like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe one more quote to my planner because I love her quotes. They're so pretty. It says, "And all at once, these summer collapse into fall." I think it's so, so great. And I'm gonna use those tiny apples to add them to the spread and make it a little bit more fun. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, an apple spread keeps my mind happy, and that's where I'm going to stay with it. We are almost done with the spread. I love how it came out. Let me know if you like it. I love my apples, so that was a fun spread to do in November, especially my wellness planner. So I thought that was kind of great. Let me know if you guys like it, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you guys had fun. And again, don't forget to comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. It helps me tremendously, and it just brings me so much joy when you guys do. So I would love to see all of you guys joining. And that's it. I'm just adding leaves throughout to kind of fill in these spaces, as I do like my spreads pretty full. But outside of that, we are all done, and I am so thankful that you're here, and have a great week ahead. I'll see you soon. Bye.